Today on the Edgy Veg, I'm going to show you how you can make a super quick and easy Mr. Noodles instant noodle bowl. Just add water. So I find that the best vessel for doing this is a mason jar, of course. It's the best vessel for anything. So all you need is a mason jar, and you can just put whatever your favorite like noodle bowl ingredients are into the jar. So I have some half-cooked ramen noodles. You can add soba noodles or whatever noodle. Ramen is kind of the best for this because they don't get soggy. But yeah, so half-cooked ramen noodles. Now just add whatever you want for your broth. So I have some like bouillon here, just like vegetable bouillon, so you can put that right in there. But to spice it up a little bit more so it tastes like a bit better than just the bouillon, because really that's just broth, is I'm going to add some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and some chili sauce. So now you can add whatever vegetables or proteins that you want. So I have some carrots, some peas, mushrooms, pickled ginger, green onion, whatever you want. So just screw on the lid, put it in the fridge, take it to work. They're good for like 2-3 days. You can do like 5 of them, a different one for every day. All you have to do is add hot water, you have an instant noodle bowl. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a Mr. Noodles instant noodle bowl for whatever your busy life throws at you. Bye!
You're awesome. You watched the whole video. You made it from the beginning right to the end. Now you know what I think you should do? Go ahead and watch this playlist from beginning to end. Thanks so much for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe.
Straight part of the candy cane, because it kind of looks like a swizzle stick. Just make sure it's not broken.